So you want like spring in your step. You want to be really light on your feet. Boom, and it pops you back. Because then you'll start kind of going a little quicker. And you just want that really light on your feet feelings. So you don't want to be like an elephant.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Just step out to the right, back, out to the left. Just replacement footwork. The big thing with this is remember that your toe compresses a spring and it pops you back up. Toe, heel, toe, and kind of just get like light on your feet. Keep stepping out at that 45. Just stay light on the feet. Okay, let's go backwards now. So now we'll do the male triangle. So stepping back to the right now, it's toe, heel, pushes back up, toe, heel. Toe, heel. Just make sure your head gets off center line each time. Okay, now we'll go female, male. So now we'll go right, left, then male, right, left, female, right, left, male, right, left,